In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Dogecoin on Webull. If you've ever been curious about investing in this popular cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each step to make this process as straightforward as possible, even if you're new to Webull or cryptocurrency investing. First things first, you'll need to have your Webull account up and running. If you haven't already set one up, be sure to do so, as it's essential for trading. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see the option labeled Web Trade. This is where all the action happens, so go ahead and click on it. Give it a moment to load and you'll be ready for the next step. Now that you're in the Web Trade section, focus your attention on the top right corner. There's a search bar situated there and it's your gateway to finding Dogecoin. Click on that search bar and type in Dogecoin. As you type, you'll see a list of suggestions populate below. Keep an eye out for Dogecoin in those results. Once you see Dogecoin listed, click on it. This action will take you to its dedicated trading page, where you can view all sorts of details about the cryptocurrency, including its current price, market trends, and more. It's always a good idea to take a moment here to review any pertinent information to ensure you're making an informed decision. With Dogecoin's page open, you'll be able to see the option to buy. Here, you'll need to decide how much Dogecoin you want to purchase. Make sure to consider your investment strategy and risk tolerance before entering an amount. Once you're ready, go ahead and enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to buy. After that, there will be a confirmation step. This is crucial because it gives you a final opportunity to review your order details before committing. Double-check everything, from the quantity of Dogecoin you're purchasing to the total cost. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase. And just like that, you've bought Dogecoin on Webull. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to stay informed and cautious with your investments. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so it's wise to stay updated on market trends and news. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of buying Dogecoin on Webull. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy investing!